Welcome back to my channel. This is Hiroki Sabata, and today I will do the street photography in city center of Wrocław. Just for warming up shooting, quite right next to the building. It's called POV. Today is quite windy day, and it was really it was really cold. I realized that this person has like 2 packs of delivery bags, so I'm kind of curious what kind of food they ordered, but I could have taken a picture. Now I'm actually heading to, maybe you can see on the right corner, Galeria Dominikańska, the city center of the shopping center. But I noticed that there's a security guard of the constructed building, so I tried to take a picture of him. I really like this shot because of this like kind of like a red and white labels like wrapping around this like water things. I don't know how to call it. Yeah. I was thinking that this kind of stairs can be a nice contrast if there's some people are coming up out of this stairs, so I decided to wait. By the way, how I walk stays the same. I walk like penguins. I really like this shot because this person is smoking and takes some stuff away from the box. That there's a baby car there and there is no parents with kid. I thought that's a nice contrast. I found this kind of weird angels and I took a picture of this, and it looks really nice because there's a contrast between angel and a woman, and behind that there's a guy running away. By the way, today's main purpose of taking picture is to frame people as much as possible, even in this case, like the bicycle rack. Yeah, I try to frame people. I'm not saying literally I'm framing people, but anyways. Walking past by this the kitchen room of the restaurant, and I noticed that there's a people working there, so I decided to came back and try to take a picture. Notice that there's a taxi driver or driver like waiting someone, and I took this photo. It looks like I don't know, Secret Service or something. I noticed that there's a woman smoking electric cigarettes, and the smoke is quite a lot, so I thought that I can take a picture, but it was actually too late. But it came up pretty well with this picture. I wanna do it to my future girlfriend for sure. guess this photo is one of my best photo of the day. I like this movement and the leading lines, and the guy's hair is like waving with their air. I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.